Join me as I dive into the biggest upgrade ever for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and see if I can master all its new features in just one day. The wait is finally over, folks. DJI has just unveiled its latest masterpiece, the Mavic 4 Pro, and it's taking the drone world by storm. This latest release is a significant milestone for DJI, marking a major leap forward in drone technology, and we're about to dive into what makes it so remarkable. We've all been there, stuck with drones that just can't seem to deliver on their promises. Whether it's a lack of range, poor camera quality, or limited flight time, previous drone models have left many enthusiasts feeling frustrated and underwhelmed. Take, for instance, the Mavic 2 Pro, which, despite its impressive specs, had a flight time of just 31 minutes and a limited range of 4.3 miles. Then there was the Mavic Air 2, which, although more portable, struggled with wind resistance and had a subpar camera. These limitations have held us back from truly unleashing our creativity and capturing the footage we've always dreamed of. Drone enthusiasts have been begging for a game changer, and that's exactly what DJI has delivered with the Mavic 4 Pro. This upgrade is a direct response to our collective complaints, addressing the weaknesses of its predecessors and pushing the boundaries of what a drone can do. With the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI is redefining what it means to fly a drone, and we're about to explore just how they've achieved this. But before we dive into the juicy stuff, let's set the stage for why this upgrade is so crucial. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a real estate agent, or just a weekend warrior, you've likely experienced the frustration of drones that just can't keep up. From lost connections to poor image quality, we've all been forced to compromise on our creative vision. The Mavic 4 Pro is DJI's answer to these problems, and it's packed with innovations that will change the way we fly and capture footage forever. The Mavic 4 Pro boasts an improved camera system with a 48-megapixel sensor, capable of capturing stunning 8K video at 30 FPS. That's right, folks, 8K. But it's not just about the numbers. This drone also features a cutting-edge telephoto lens, enabling you to capture breathtaking close-ups from a distance. And let's not forget about the enhanced flight time, which has been increased to a whopping 40 minutes, giving you more time to capture the perfect shot. In addition to these massive upgrades, the Mavic 4 Pro also features advanced safety features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a new emergency response system. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone has got your back. But what really sets this drone apart is its unprecedented level of autonomy, enabling it to track subjects, avoid obstacles, and even respond to hand gestures. But the feature that's got everyone talking is the Mavic 4 Pro's ability to capture 360-degree footage in a single take. That's right, folks, this drone can spin on its axis, capturing a seamless, 360-degree panorama in a single shot. It's a feature that redefines what it means to fly a drone, and it's going to change the way we tell stories forever. So, there you have it, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the biggest upgrade ever for the Mavic series. With its improved camera capabilities, extended flight time, advanced safety features, and game-changing 360-degree footage, this drone is a powerhouse of innovation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Mavic 4 Pro is the ultimate tool for unlocking your creative potential. What do you think about these new features, guys? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting drone news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.